On the last episode of Mustache Garage Works, we did a little bit of cutting and welding on the front valence. We also did a little bit of body filler work to it. In today's episode, we will be continuing on with the process as we will be applying the color, and there will be a little bit of bonus footage as well. So stay tuned and hope you guys enjoy. So I'm about to grab some tools right now because the valence has to be removed, hopefully for the last time. You guys have seen this valence come off so many times, but yeah, this is probably going to be the last time just for me to apply the color. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, so I had to move location to the storeroom, as you guys can see. Oh, bunch of E30 pots. Sorry for the mess, but we're going to work here as the neighbors are currently busy with construction. You probably can hear in the background. But just came up here just because it's a little bit quieter. So what I'm gonna do now, I bought a series of spotlights. And I got these ducts by a friend. A very good friend of mine gave me these ducts. I still have to spray those as well, but the plan now is I'm just going to try and fit it. So before I apply the color and then I realize that the thing doesn't fit. So we're going to do that now and then we'll continue on. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, these ones right here are the smoke spotlights. I did opt for the clear ones, but the shop that I bought it from, they had a defect on the clears, and that was the last set. So I had no option but to take the smoke spotlights. Nevertheless, these will do, as it will still produce light at night, as I can't see very well at night. So yeah, I'm just going to try to get it fitted right now. And then I'll be with you guys in a second. Let me just grab this ducks here real quick and just make sure that they fit well. And then I'll be with you guys in a sec. So right now I'm trying to figure out how to mount the spots and the vents as well. As you guys know, I just go with the flow. I don't have any plan, or I don't plan it. I just try to figure out how things work. Eventually I do get it. Yeah, as you guys can see there, I'm fitting the spot and trying to get it sorted. But for the time being, the new viewers out there, please, if you just fall into the video, please do hit that subscribe button and even the like button as well, as it do help the algorithm. And yeah, please do do that. So I just went ahead and speed up the process for you guys, put you guys in a time lapse, as I do not want to bore you guys with a long process. because I know this is quite lengthy trying to figure out whether or not it will work. Okay, so there's a change of plans, you guys. My dad actually suggested instead of using these drywall screws or shelf tapper screws, why not get bolts that will fit in over there. I think that's gonna be a better option. But this will work though. I think it's going to look good once it's done. There you guys can have a little bit of a sneak peek of how it will look. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait now on the hardware and then I can continue on. So guys, I am contemplating whether or not I should spray the vents or the ducts black or should I make them color. If I do decide on making them black, and it will look like one unit, as you guys can see there, because the spots are smoked. So if it's like that black, then it will look like one unit. But then again, if I do make it red with the valence, it will look like the spot is on a separate. So I'm not sure which one to go for. You help me decide, guys. But for now I think I might just make it color, and I can decide afterwards whether or not to make it black, because black is quicker to spray. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Okay, so while I'm waiting on the hardware or the screws, I think I'm gonna go ahead and sand down the valence. So I'm first going to use 220 grit sandpaper and then 400 afterwards, and then we can apply the color. So now that is all done, sanded right there with a bit of YouTube magic, we can go ahead and lay down the color. Let's go. So I'm using a heat gun right now because of the cold weather, just to allow the paint to stick better, and yeah. So always before I spray, I first check my spray pattern before I lay it down on the panel, and then as you guys can see here, I'm applying a mist coat. So the process of spraying depends on how many coats you want to apply, but I usually just spray a mist coat, first coat and the final coat, as you guys will see in the upcoming footage. Over here I am just making sure that I apply it everywhere through the crevices and the places that you can't reach. And I also turn down the volume for you guys because the compressor is kinda loud. And yeah, enjoy further on. So guys, the footage has run short. I ran out of storage spaces, guys. So there's the time right now. It's now 5:45. Um, I couldn't wait any longer. I am busy assembling it right now. The paint is still wet. Let me just show you here real quick. That's how kind of the end result. This is not the paint that's going to be on the final paint. I'm planning on spraying the car entirely, and then still deciding on which red. It's going to be red. I'm just deciding on which red to choose. The spot I mounted right now, my dad actually found these screws. So I'm super happy about that because I didn't feel like going to the hardware store. So I'm just gonna, these right here, I'm gonna have to, so I opted for the black. I know I said red. I think the black will be a little bit better. These supposed to like have clips over. I actually have the clips right there. But for some reason it doesn't line up when I put it in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just put a little bit of sealer there at the back and then put it permanently, seal it down permanently. So yeah, I don't know if you guys want to stick around to see where me mounted that other spot right there. Maybe, yeah, I think so. So it's not perfect, but it's in. It's in. This side actually looks a lot better than that side. In my opinion, as you guys can see, it's not really playing flush as this one is. So now it's just for me to fit these ducts. But also, I think I'm going to show you the guys the end result when it's on the car. But for now, I'm super pumped. I'll see you guys in a bit. So the friend that I mentioned earlier in the video, the one that gave me the ducts, I'm currently at this place right now, and he actually connected the spotlights up for me. That's why I'm at this place late at night. As you guys can see, the vehicle's lights are on, so you guys will see him coming in the video in a bit. Yeah, his name is Armin, for those that are wanting to know who he is. And yeah, he's a real good friend to me, and you guys will probably see him in a lot of videos, the upcoming videos, especially on his car and so on. So right here you guys can see the spots are on and it's connected, and right now I'm gonna try and attempt to do a burnout. You guys will see that I fail miserably by attempting this. I do get it right there on the corner, which you guys will see now in the upcoming footage. So after my failed burnout attempt, I went straight home, and right here I'm just checking out how good the lights actually shine, the spotlights, and it actually shines really good. I'm actually super happy with how it turned out. I just want to show you guys how the lights are really protruding. As you guys can see, my driveway is quite lengthy and it looks super nice. I actually like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. This is going to be the outro for this video, and please do interact with me in the comment section down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace and love. See you guys.